She's opening her gift from Aunt Jenny. What is it? Lots of paper. What's that? That's a pretty dress.
Buzz!
Oh my goodness, is there Buzz in there?
Yeah! A buzz plane!
It looks like a rocket ship. Turn around so I can see it. Oh my goodness, look at that! How fun! What's that? Here, rip the tape off. Who is it? Oh, I see Bullseye, Jessie, and Woody. Oh my goodness. The fun keeps going. What is that? That's a cool coloring thing. It's upside down. What do you say, Aunt Jenny? What do you say to Aunt Jenny?
Thank you.
You excited?
Yeah, I'll go play it now.
Okay, hang on, hang on. And this is a pretty dress she bought you. Oh, you haven't seen it yet. You want me to take it out?
No, I can look.
Good job. I think you can reach in there and get it now. Here, here.
This is fun.
Giving up on the dress. I'm going to take out the dress. Look how pretty, Lolo.
I want the buzz one. I'm hungry.
Oh my gosh, Jenny, the dress is adorable. Look how pretty this dress is.
Say hi.
Well, you can't see her. You can say hi here, messy face.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Look. Oh, that's going to be so cute on.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
That was a nice surprise.
Yeah.
All right, now I got to open it up for her. Thanks, Jenny.